Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you ready for some serious gaming power? Introducing the CyberGeek GeForce RTX 5090, the ultimate beast of a graphics card that's about to take your computer game experience to the next level. First off, let's talk about what makes this GPU so special. The CyberGeek GeForce RTX 5090 is powered by NVIDIA Blackwell tech, which means it's packed with some serious horsepower. We're talking about up to 3,352 AI TOPS. That's like having a supercomputer on your desk. These tensor cores are the brainchild of NVIDIA and are specifically designed for artificial intelligence tasks like photo and video editing. But what does this mean in real life? Well, imagine you're working on a project that requires massive amounts of processing power. Maybe you're trying to upscale a 4K image or remove the background from a complex scene. These AI TOPS will help your computer do it way faster than before. And with up to 32 GB of GDDR7 VRAM, you've got plenty of room for bigger models and longer context, which means you can work on more complex projects without having to worry about running out of memory. Now, let's talk about some of the other features that make this GPU stand out. The DLSS 4, Deep Learning Supersampling, tech is a game changer for gaming. It uses AI to improve performance and responsiveness in supported titles, which means you'll get smoother gameplay without sacrificing too much detail. And with Reflex 2, you can enjoy even faster response times and more precise control. But what really sets this GPU apart is its support for ray-traced visuals. That's right, we're talking about the kind of graphics that make movies feel like you're right there in the scene. With up to 1,792 GB/s bandwidth, this thing can handle massive amounts of data and still deliver top-notch performance. And if you need more than one display, don't worry. This GPU has got you covered. With DP 2.1b UHBR20x3, you can run up to 4 4K displays at 480 Hz or 2 8K displays at 120 Hz. And with the included GPU holder, you can reduce sag and improve build stability. Now, I know some of these specs might sound like Greek to you, but trust me, they matter. The CyberGeek GeForce RTX 5090 is designed for creators who need raw power and flexibility. Whether you're working on photo editing projects or AI workflows, this GPU has got the performance and headroom you need. So what's the verdict? Is the CyberGeek GeForce RTX 5090 worth it? Absolutely. If you're serious about gaming or content creation, this is a no-brainer. Check out the link below for the best price. I promise you won't regret it.